Hey, it's Keegan. Today is May 24th, 2012, and I am 3 months on P for 89 days. I'm currently on Edisto Island in South Carolina on kind of a mini adventure. I've been camping out and falling asleep in the tent, waking up in the tent, and then going for a swim. And it's kind of been really great. As far as changes, 3 months on P, my hairline is kind of like starting to recede. I'm still growing like little facial hairs, but none of them are like coarse yet, so they're still blonde and not all that noticeable. Noticeable enough to like friends and whatnot who know what to look for, but I still sometimes get mammed at work and whatnot. What else? My fat is starting to redistribute. It's all going to my stomach, which kind of sucks, so I guess I kind of have to work out more to get rid of that. I also have a happy trail. Well, the startings of a happy trail. It's not all that noticeable unless like you press your finger like down like underneath my belly button. And I think my legs may be getting hairier, but I don't know that for sure. And there's not really any hair growth like anywhere else. My voice is still dropping, and I'm starting to get used to like my singing voice, which doesn't matter because it's just going to change even more, but at least I'm starting to get used to it, and it's not nearly as bad as like when I last month when I tried to sing before. It would just crack all the time. Yeah. That's all I can think about. Muscles are still kind of coming in and like popping more, which is nice. Got some guns, not really. I think that's it. A bird just flew by, sorry for that face. Yeah. Can't think of any other changes, except last time I did my tee shot. I did it in this leg, and some testosterone came out. It was really weird, and I don't know if that's okay or not. I'm assuming it's okay. But I just got my levels checked, and they're good, so I guess I'm going to keep my same dose. Mentally, I don't know, I'm a lot happier lately, mentally, emotionally. So that's good, and I'm not feeling like a cocktail of emotion. It's more it's that thing like I'm tired or hungry or whatever, and my anxiety hasn't been as bad, which I'm thankful for. I'm talking to my aunt tonight and coming out to her and asking advice on how to come out to my